How to enable or disable bounce keys on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on instruction and dexterity, scroll down and you will see bounce keys here. So if you want to enable bounce key, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see bounce key is enabled. So if you want to disable bounce key, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see bounce key is disabled. So you will enable or disable bounce key from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix, enable or disable bounce keys on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.